test is done. Thank you. Now, next topic. What is the uh, complex compound, or how it form the coordination compound? Let's discuss complex compound or coordination compounds. So definition is opposite. When two or more salt, according to law of chemical combination, two or more salt chemically combine together and form one solution that get crystals, and that crystals are having qualitative test, qualitative analysis, and identical property of salt is not obtained, then it is to be said complex compound. Suppose we are having ferrous cyanide, FeCN twice, this is ferrous cyanide, and we are having ferric cyanide, FeCN thrice. Fe is 2 plus, then it is ferrous, and Fe is 3 plus, then it is ferric. So we are having ferrous cyanide and ferric cyanide. Will get reaction with potassium cyanide, KCN, and we are having two different compound, that is FeCN6. Here will be K4, here will be K3, FeCN6. So this may be react with 4 KCN, and this may be react with 3 KCN. So 3K, 3K, clear? CN3 and 3, CN6, Fe1. Again 4K, then it is 4K, CN4 and 2, CN6 and Fe as it is. So this is potassium ferrocyanide. This is potassium ferricyanide. Name of this compound is potassium ferrocyanide, and name of this compound is potassium ferricyanide. When qualitative analysis is done, we are not getting the precipitates of ferrous ion or ferric ion. We are not getting the precipitates of cyanide ion, and we are not getting reaction with picric acid and yellow precipitates, means potassium will not available. It means identical property of ferric or ferrous, cyanide and potassium is lost. A new type of property is obtained, so it is not double salt, it is to be said complex compound, and complex compound, it means it is coordination compound. When electrolysis is done, electrolysis of this potassium ferrocyanide, we are getting the ion FeCN6. Here K4 is released, it means we are having 4 minus, and here K3 will release, ionization is done, then we are having FeCN6 and 3 minus at anode. So we are getting at anode electrode by electrolysis reaction, we are getting combined ion, but we are not getting separately precipitates by reaction, qualitative reaction of this compound. So this is very simple, very easy. When two or more salt chemically combine each other according to law of combination, and identical property is lost and new type of property is obtained, then it is complex or coordination compound. And when two or more salt according to law of chemical combination and identical property of each salt is obtained by qualitative analysis, then it is the double salt. Now it is clear. Now we are going to discuss about why transition element form coordination compound. Not other elements are forming coordination compound. Only transition elements are forming coordination compound. Let's discuss third topic of the day. So according to periodic table, on fourth row, fifth row and sixth row, in fourth period, sixth period, 5 period and 6 period. In fourth period, the elements are scandium to zinc, and atom number of scandium to zinc is 21 to 30. And then at row 5th, elements are present yttrium to cadmium. Atom number of yttrium to cadmium is 39 to 48. And row of 6, lanthanum to mercury. Lanthanum to mercury. And number of its atom number is 57 to 80. So these are the three periods in which we are having this scandium to zinc elements, yttrium to cadmium elements and lanthanum to mercury elements present. In this, all elements are known as transition element because these all elements having d orbitals. And according to electronic configuration will be n-1d, ns, np, or ns, np and nd. If d orbitals are vacant in all these three periods of element, d orbitals are vacant, then negative ion or neutral molecule can donate electron pair to vacant d orbitals of this transition element, and coordination bond is formed. Coordinate covalent bond is formed, and then it is to be said coordination compound. So we are having chloride or ammonia or cyanide, and we are having d orbitals vacant of this all transition element, and electron pair of this ion are donated to transition element, means above all any one element, and this element can fill the d orbitals with the help of this negative or neutral ion and form coordinate bond, then it is to be said coordination compound. And these all compounds are colored compound. While in other element, why it is not to be said transition element, other element having not vacant d orbitals, so it cannot accept the electron pair of any negative ion or neutral molecule and cannot form coordinate covalent bond and cannot form coordination compound. This is very most important explanation to form coordination compound or to form complex compound, to form coordinate covalent bond. This is the main reason. If d vacant of metal is vacant, then it can accept the electron pair from negative ion or neutral molecule, then it can form the coordinate covalent bond, then it is possible to form coordination compound. It is clear. So we have discussed related to how coordination compound is formed and what is the difference between double salt and complex compound or coordination compound. So you just revise 2 times this video, send me homework 2 times by today evening. Thank you very much.